Welcome everyone to our next revision lecture. It's a property and land law revision. We have some new legislation to discuss and a little bit of new case law which may be relevant to SQE and to actual practice. And here with me today, wonderful Jeny Shaw. Jeny Shaw is a conveyancer and property solicitor based in London. Hello, Jeny.
Hello, everyone. Pleased to join you all today.
Tell us a little bit about the life of conveyancer, property solicitor. What kind of work do you do so people can make a knowing decision choosing their area of practice? How do you find it? Before you were like a litigator, right?
Yes, that's right. When I was in India, I was in litigation. But when I started practicing in the UK after the QLTS, I went into property. And the irony is, I never really liked property law when I was studying in India. And even in the UK, I found it when preparing a little bit of a dry subject. However, having said that, I do quite enjoy my practice in property law in the UK. It is good in a way that it's more structural in the way you approach. So there is point A from which you jump to the next and to the next and to the next. So it gives a lot of structure, and it's easier not to miss out any vital aspects of a transaction that way. At the same time, it doesn't get boring because each property is different in terms of what the register holds, any challenges that you might face when you look at the register. So I haven't been bored so far, which is a good thing, because considering that I never really was interested in property when I was studying, it came as quite a surprise. And also that structure, when you approach practically, helps a person keep on track, and it helps you cover all your bases when you are practicing property, and also when you're dealing with different kinds of registers, different kinds of property, and the challenges that come with it.